Blink, blink, blink.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Montasia Stevens. On here it's the Tasia Talik, and today I'll be showing you guys how I do these lashes, honey. You know, giving very much individual lashes, giving lash tech. You know, I am looking busted, crusted, and disgusted. But we just showing lashes, okay? I'm not finna get all cute. I just put these lashes on, okay? So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Okay, so for products, I'm going to be using these lashes I got off Amazon. This is Zenifly. I'm not sure how to say it, but I will link it. They're like deep curl lashes, like they're very curly. I don't know if y'all can see how curly they are. Like to, look like you got, lash extensions. And these are clear bands, so it's not like the black band, like, regular strips. Regular strips got the clear band too, but whatever. But these are the clear band, just so they can look a little bit more seamless. But I actually like the black bands better because they can hold longer. I feel like with the clear, it sheds faster off of the band. I don't know. I'm gonna use some tweezers. Nothing special about them. You can use the same tweezers used to put on lashes, like, the ones with a little curve like that. Something you can just, like, use to place on your lashes. Scissors, because you have to cut the lashes. Lash curler. This is optional. My lashes, they curl down, or they go down, so I need to, push them up since I have to put the lashes under. A piece of foil. This is where I'm just putting the glue on. You could just use, like I usually use, like the plastic that comes with the lashes. The little instructions on the glue says use foil, so I'm trying to follow instructions. And then, of course, the lash glue. All this will be linked. Most of it will be linked. Other stuff you just get from, like, the store. But this is the lash glue I'm using. This is Envy Long Lasting Individual Adhesive, waterproof, jet black. Got this off of Amazon because I don't know any stores that sell them. It's stores, online stores, like the normal stores like Sally's and Walmart, but all of the stuff you have to order. I'm like, might as well just order off Amazon, because it took a minute. It took like 2.5 weeks for me to get this. I was contemplating I was going to just cancel the order, so I'm like, I ain't got time for that. You can also use the duo glue. I'll link it because I don't really feel like going to grab it. But you can use the duo glue as well to do the same steps. I'm going to link a video if you want to use that glue instead of the black adhesive. Or if you want to do something now, because I'm pretty sure you may already have this lash glue on hand. Or I might just show a picture just so you can know what I'm talking about. I'm going to link this video I watched. And I did the same steps she did. And I promise you, them lashes stayed on. It stayed on for a week. I'm sure they could last longer, but with me, I don't like when they start to look rusty, crusty, dusty, because then that's when I take them off. But we're finna get started with applying the lashes. The first step, of course, is cutting. So we're gonna start with cutting the lashes. Let me first take them off the strip. So again, I'm using these lashes off of Amazon. I'm just using my tweezers to take them off. Y'all can see them. And then I just put them in the lid that it came. If you have good memory, you can take them both off and cut them. Me, I don't have good memory, and I'll end up placing the wrong ones on the wrong eyes, because the lash go on a specific eye. So this lash go on my right side. So I'm just going to cut these. I'm not going to cut the other ones because, like I said, I'll forget which eye is which. Because, they're going to be cut in like 3 pieces. So all the pieces going to look the same. So I have it on the tray. Now I'm going to cut it. This is going to be hard to, see on camera. But, so here's the lash. I'm going to cut like 5 pieces. So like here. Here, here, and here. sometimes I don't use the front piece. With me, I'd rather not use the front than use the back, because the back is like the longest length, and then that's where like the curl comes at the end. If you cut the back, then it's gonna look a little funny to me. I'd rather cut the front than cut the back. When I say front, I mean the shortest side, the inner corners. I'd rather cut that than the back. But let me go ahead and cut it for y'all. So here, got one. Here, two. You can cut as many as you want. Like if you want like less, you can. It probably would last longer if you cut smaller pieces. And then here. I try to put them in order, because like I said, I don't have good memory. And again, oh, I'm not even showing y'all. This is the last pieces. I'll show y'all. So this is what they look like. I have the 5 pieces. It's 5. The 5 pieces on the tray. Now, oh hell, you move. Okay. I got the fan on. It was dumb, but I need my fan on. Next is gonna be, it really is blowing with this fan on. But take my foil. I like just to work inside this little, I'm gonna call it my little pot, my lash pot or lash tray. So my ashtray. I just put the foil here, and then I'm gonna pour a drop of glue. Just do a drop, like don't try to do like so much, because it does dry fast. So just do a drop, and then you can just do another drop if you need some more glue. Okay, so I open my glue, and now I'm just gonna pour a drop. Just a drop. And it's small. It's a small drop. Small drop. I can show y'all that. Just a small drop. I don't know if y'all can see. And we starting with this. I don't know why I started with this side. Okay. So now, I think this is the first piece. Yeah, I think it's the first piece. You're gonna take the lash. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna dip. Hold on. Make sure that there's no like lashes under there. Like the band is clear. Make sure the band is clear. There's no lashes, no nothing, no piece of hair, no nothing on there. Because if you put on your lash, that junk is gonna itch your eyebrow. Because you're gonna have to try to put these close, but not on your waterline. So I'm gonna just dip it in here, trying to get the top part of the lash band. Now I ain't gonna lie and say this is easy, cause it ain't. Glue on there. Next, I start from the ends. So I lift my eye up and try to get you some somewhere where you can like hold your hand, so you can get a little bit of balance. And I just put it under. You may not get it on the first try. Keep trying. You'll get on there eventually. Now, just place it at the bottom.
Mommy, look, it's sunglasses. It's sunglasses. Why would I do this eyeball? Why did you do your eyeball?
I'm doing my lashes.
Oh, I look. Why would you do the lashes?
Can you go in your room, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Now she shut the door. Girl. I'm gonna just like make sure it's on before I apply the next lash, because if it's not on and you apply the next lash, then that lash is gonna come up. Let me show y'all how I dip it. And then I just dip it into the lash glue, like do like a little swoop. Okay, lift eye up. Place it down. Hold it. Let it sit for a second before we go to the next lash. Make sure it's on there. Okay. Next. Here. And lift in place. I'm not gonna lie, if you do have watery eyes, it is gonna be a little hard. You still can do it, it's just gonna be a little hard. You're gonna have to keep trying to apply it, because even though it's waterproof, you gotta dry before it get wet. So it's gonna take a second before it really sticks. Put it on there. Yes, Ari. You wanna go to Nana house? Hmm? The inner corner is always the hardest. Not gonna lie about that. I like to hold the inner corner and then move it out. Hold it, move it out, and place it under.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Neighbors. Like.
Mm-hmm.
It neighbors. Like. You're more.
You smart.
Yeah.
Yes, you are. So this eye is done. And just make sure I don't need to take any of them off. Let me count how many pieces that is. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I use 4 of the 5 pieces. And now I'm going to do the other eye. I'm going to do that one off camera because it's the same thing. Don't hit me. Okay. But yeah. This eye is done. I'll come back when the other eye is done as well. Okay, the lashes are done. They are on. Like, they look very natural. Very natural. When I say natural, I meant they look like lash extensions instead of strips. Okay. And if you want another alternative instead of the black glue, you can use, like, this is the lash glue I was talking about. This is the Duo. This is in the aloe, in the clear, or it goes on blue and then it dries clear. You can use this as well. I'm gonna link a video that I use to use this glue when you're trying to apply this. Lasts the same amount of time. Easy to put on. It's probably easier to do it this way, but I feel like this will last longer because the black glue, it really like cures to your lashes. But this is the final look. And to remove them, because you don't want to pull out your lashes, you do have to use the adhesive by the same brand. Might be easier. This is the box it comes in. So you need to use this adhesive. If you don't want to pull out your lashes, use this adhesive. If you don't care, just, it's gonna hurt. When I say they stuck like Chuck, they stuck. The only way you're getting these off, like, I didn't lose any lashes. I just took my last pair off because I think I had put a gap between one of them, so it looked like, you know, when you actually get your lashes done, it looked like lashes was falling out. No, I just had a big ass gap. But they stayed on, but I needed to take them off and redo them. If you don't want to lose your lashes, use the adhesive. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, if you found it useful, helpful, if you did follow the steps, let me know how it went. If it didn't go good, let me know. I can try to find another glue, another method. You know, I'm always trying to do things at home. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys please subscribe, like, comment, do all that jazz, and y'all have a good one. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I do hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.